Hi guys, welcome to a new video back on the channel here. We are back, but this time we're doing an unboxing of the Asrock LiveMixer Z790 board for my new for my editing PC, as I'm upgrading the board as I need some more PCIe lanes and also M.2 slots. But let's just do a quick unboxing. Let's get right into this. So this is currently the cover art. I do like it. I do own the B650 LiveMixer, the AMD version. I am more looking towards getting the X870 when that comes out. That has been rumoured from Computex 2025. But let's see the board, shall we? Okay, so here we have the box. Let's open this up. Okay. I did get this as a open, like as an X-display model board. Well, let's just, it's been tested and working. I've tested this beforehand before I did this video for you guys, but I'll show you more detail of it. So here we have the Asrock Z790 LiveMixer board. Oh, what a nice board that is. I do know that there's new Intel ones out, but because I'm still on 1700 socket, I'm running a 12600KF in my editing machine. That is why I chose this option. I am upgrading it from a B760 Plus from a Zeus. You see the design as well on the LiveMixer. It does have quite a lot of ports, as you'll see here. There's quite a lot of ports. You've got a HDMI, display port, USBs, Ethernet. You can have the functionality of putting Wi-Fi on it, as it is on the board there. You also do get a motherboard manual. This just tells you the instructions of it. I'll keep it very brief. Also do get a sticker, which is a more oh, let's that focus. Normally get a sticker as well. You also get some cables, ties, your normal SATA data cable, and you get some M.2 screws, which you would need for the countless M.2s you'll be putting into it. With this LiveMixer board from Intel, I think it's brilliant. You get 2 Gen 5 slots and 3 Gen 4s. You get 2 here and 1 there as well. With these boards, these are designed for more creators and productivity work, down to the PCIe lanes that you've got, storage capacity you got, and also the ports. But I personally think it's essential for me to do my day-to-day activities with all the editing, and overall, as I've had the AMD alternative one for nearly 3 years, coming up to 3 years now probably, and I've never had an issue with them. So that's why I'm looking forward to having this board. But nonetheless, I'm going to leave this video here, guys. We'll probably be putting this either into a build video, or it might just be as a a few posts on the YouTube of just the building process. But nonetheless, I'll leave this video here. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video.